Hi, I'm Ashley Vasquez, and I'm a faculty member at the Sturm Collaboration Campus. This is the Anatomage Table. It's our virtual dissection table and contains 3D images of human bodies. This table is used in Anatomy and Physiology classes, the Physical Therapist Assistant Program, and the Nursing Assistant Program, as well as other classes offered at the Collaboration Campus. The students are able to remove layers to reveal the structures underneath for further study. The students can also highlight different body systems so that they can see their location and the relationship to each other. The table also allows us to study physiology, and you can see the beating heart in this image. The Anatomage Table offers a unique opportunity to study the human body at the Sturm Collaboration Campus.